Apple Intelligence is officially available in the USA for now. We can fix the issue and enable Apple Intelligence on Mac. I am Carly, let's get started. Here's my Mac showing Apple Intelligence. That comes with macOS 15.1 Developer Beta. Open System Settings from the top Apple logo menu. Select General from the left side of the window and find the Language and Region option. Change region to United States under the Americas. To apply the changes, restart your Mac from the top Apple logo menu and click on the Restart option. Move to Apple Intelligence and Siri option under the System Settings. And click on Join Apple Intelligence Waitlist. Again, confirm with Join Waitlist. Go back and continue to work. I hope your request will be approved after 15 to 30 minutes. Sometimes it will take a few hours. For me, my Mac allows me to turn on Apple Intelligence under the settings. Click on the option and continue with the option, and see how it works and how to use. Say Hey Siri, or click and hold on Siri button in the menu bar. Or press the glob key with S on the keyboard. And continue. That's it. Now, I can use Apple Intelligence from the top menu bar. Once I turn on Siri, it will appear in the menu bar. To enable this, go to Apple logo from the top menu and click on System Settings. Select Control Center from the left sidebar. Scroll to the Siri option. And select Show in the menu bar for Siri. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to make this video more helpful to others. Also, comment for more help.